In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep Discord party mode on forever. Now, quick reality check. Party mode is an Easter egg in Discord. It adds fun confetti and celebratory effects when you complete certain Nitro actions, tap a celebration button, or when Discord triggers it for special events. It's designed to be temporary and it automatically turns off when you close or reload Discord. But there are safe ways to bring it back in seconds and a few tricks to make it feel like it's always on during your sessions. First, the official and safest way to re-enable party mode. Open Discord on your desktop app or in your browser. Go to User Settings, then head to Subscriptions or Nitro. If you see a party or celebration button there, click it. Party mode activates instantly. The whole process takes only a few seconds. Keep in mind, if you don't see the button, it may simply not be available at that moment, since Discord shows it contextually. And remember, once Discord restarts, you'll need to do this again. Next, the best forever workaround is to keep Discord running. Party mode only shuts off when Discord reloads, so keep the app or browser tab open. Avoid logging out, avoid refreshing the app with the reload shortcut, and don't close the browser tab or the app itself. As long as Discord remains open and active, party mode will stay alive. If you're on a laptop, consider preventing your device from sleeping so the session doesn't end unexpectedly. If you prefer the web version, there's a solid browser trick. Open Discord in your browser, enable party mode using the same method, and then do not refresh the page. Turn off or remove any auto-tab refresh extensions and disable memory saving or tab suspension features in your browser that might reload the page in the background. Pinning the tab can help you avoid accidental closes. This approach works well for long, continuous sessions. A quick word of caution on what not to do. Do not use modified Discord clients, third-party scripts or plugins, or hacks that claim to make party mode permanent. These can violate Discord's rules and may get your account flagged. Discord does not officially support permanent party mode. So, can party mode be truly permanent? As of 2025, no. It's an Easter egg, not a persistent setting, and it resets on reload. But with the quick re-enable method, and by keeping Discord open, you can enjoy the confetti and celebrations for as long as your session lasts.